pataas lang ng pataas yung tinitrade nating gold. So, tignan natin kung saan nga ba talaga siya papunta. Kung pataas pa rin ba o pababa na siya. Kasi talagang all-time high na to. Talagang sagad-sagad na. And hindi man lang siya bumalik ng konti. So, talagang dire-diretso siya pataas. And yan, tignan natin fundamentals and technicals. So, bago nga pala lahat, promote ko lang tong Telegram community natin wherein I invite you to join. Dito, we provide trade ideas, trade signals. So, kung makikita nyo, meron tayong mga specific trade orders yan. No? Yung mga kung saan tayo entry, saan tayo mag-SL, TP, etc. So, yan, check nyo na lang kung makakatulong to sa inyo sa trading nyo. And here, if you are a member of this community, of this group, yan, you can also join our webinars every week. So yan, every week yan, we provide free webinars. So di tayo nagpapabayad dyan. And itong mga trade ideas and trade signals ito, this is all for free. So all you need to do is join. Click nyo lang yung link dyan sa may bio natin. Yan, so dito tayo sa chart ni gold. Yan. And as you can see, it's just been going up. Okay, so yan, wala talagang balikan, no? So kung may sell ka dyan at hindi ka nag stop loss, talagang mauubos lang rin yung equity mo. And ayun nga, it is actually pulling back from time to time. Ayan, so makikita nyo dito, respected yung mga moving averages natin. So we have EMA 9, EMA 21, and we have EMA 50. Ayan, so here nagpo-pull back na siya. Check natin sa 1 minute time frame. Ayan, so we have an entry there. And here, ayan, so although it's going down, no, so we are still banking on the bullishness of gold. So hindi naman yan lagi naman yang naggaganyan na magda-down siya na mabilis and only to go back up. So that's how gold moves recently. And yan, napakalaki move niyan from 4180 pinababa natin to 41. Napakabilis, no? Ginapang niya yan, pero profit taking na yung mga malalaki. But ayun, meron tayong mga salo dyan sa baba. Ayan, so very strong support din naman yung 41. So very conservative lang rin ang take natin dito. So we don't aim for the moon. Hindi natin siya kailangang i-aim yung 4180 again. We can just aim for at least the half. 4136, 4140, or 4150, something like that, no? So what we can expect with gold is that, and it can go back down further, so to at least, and so to 4053, and can go back down to 4053 sa EMA 21 niya sa 4-hour time frame. And yan, as you can see, respected yan, but it's not going to violate here sa EMA 50 3988. And if it does, yan, so dyan na tayo rethink ng ating formation or ng ating bias, and if it's time to shift back to our sell, no, to the sell side naman. So pero malayo pa yun, no? Ito napakalayo, 41239, napakalayo pa. It will take a lot before it go down dyan sa baba na yan. And yan, may mga merong mga expected na mga news, no? So yan, meron tayo dito sa trading view natin. So check nyo lang rin yung mga news dyan. But key drivers are yan, yung expected interest rate cut, and also yung US shutdown. Yan, so medyo malala, wala pa rin talagang news na lumalabas. So pwede magpatong-patong yung mga bad news, no? Tapos it can go further. Pero as per analysts, 4,000 is really the year-end target for this year. But as you can see, na exceed na, no? So again, we are not ruling out na it can go down further, na mabilis siyang bumagsak. So ito, tingnan nyo, from 4,180 to 4,000, it's just a matter of minutes. It's like 5 minutes. Parang ganun siya kabilis, no? So, kung babagsak yan, talagang mabilis ang bagsak niya. So, don't forget to always put a stop loss. Ayan. So, here, salo-salo lang tayo kasi so you can see mas marami talagang green dyan kaysa sa red, no? But, yun nga, we are banking on the bullishness of gold due to the fundamental reasons na still bullish. So, nasa EMA 9 pa lang tayo, bounce na. And kapag nag-cross yan, yung red na yan, yung candle na yan or yung price na yan below, then we can expect another support here. Abang-abang lang tayo. We still don't do sell orders. Very few. Very quick din kasi yung pagbalik. No? So, any kind of candles or hint na talaga is gonna go down, wala talaga. Hindi talaga siya tumatalab kasi titingnan natin, maraming beses na nangyari yan, but still is going up due to the fundamental reasons. And that's it, guys. Again, I want to invite you sa ating group, sa ating community. Just click the link dyan sa ating bio. And if you want to start your trading journey, you can check our link with Vantage Market. So, see you there.